Have you ever wondered why some relationships grow stronger through challenges, while others slowly fall apart, even when both people care deeply about each other? What if the secret to lasting love, trust, friendship, and teamwork is not luck, money, or talent, but something much simpler and more powerful? Napoleon Hill believed that words have incredible power, and the way we communicate can either build bridges of understanding or create walls of distance. In today's video, you will discover practical communication lessons that can transform your relationships, improve trust, and help you connect with people more effectively. Make sure you watch until the end, because the final lesson could completely change the way you speak, listen, and build meaningful relationships every day. Lesson 1. Positive words create positive relationships. Napoleon Hill taught that every thought and word carries energy, and positive words often inspire positive emotions and stronger human connections. When people feel appreciated, respected, and valued, they naturally become more open, cooperative, and willing to strengthen the relationship. Think about how different it feels when someone says, "I appreciate you," instead of focusing only on mistakes and shortcomings. Positive communication does not mean ignoring problems. It means addressing challenges while maintaining respect and kindness. Simple phrases like "thank you," "I understand," and "I believe in you" can have a surprisingly powerful impact. Many conflicts become worse because people focus on criticism instead of encouragement and understanding. Positive words help create emotional safety, allowing people to express themselves honestly without fear of judgment. When communication becomes supportive rather than hostile, trust begins to grow naturally over time. Relationships thrive when people feel heard, respected, and appreciated on a regular basis. The first lesson is simple. Choose words that build people up rather than tear them down. Lesson 2. Listening is more powerful than speaking. Many people believe communication is mostly about talking, but Napoleon Hill emphasized the importance of listening carefully. True listening means focusing completely on the other person instead of planning your next response. When someone feels genuinely heard, they immediately feel more respected and understood. Most misunderstandings happen because people listen to reply rather than listening to understand. Active listening requires patience, attention, and a sincere desire to understand another person's perspective. Even when you disagree, listening calmly can prevent unnecessary arguments and emotional reactions. People often reveal their true feelings when they feel safe enough to speak openly. The more you understand someone's emotions, the easier it becomes to solve problems together. Strong relationships are built on mutual understanding, and understanding begins with listening. The second lesson is clear. Listen more deeply than you speak. Lesson 3. Control emotions before communicating. Napoleon Hill believed emotional control is essential for effective communication and lasting relationships. When emotions are running high, people often say things they later regret. Anger can turn a small disagreement into a major conflict within minutes. Taking a moment to calm down before responding can completely change the outcome of a conversation. A thoughtful response is usually more powerful than an emotional reaction. People respect those who can remain calm and constructive during difficult situations. Emotional intelligence helps us communicate with clarity instead of confusion. When you control your emotions, you gain greater control over your relationships. Calm communication creates opportunities for understanding, compromise, and growth. The third lesson is to pause, think, and communicate wisely, rather than react impulsively. Lesson 4. Focus on solutions, not blame. One of Napoleon Hill's most practical principles is directing energy toward solutions instead of problems. Blame rarely fixes anything, but cooperation often leads to positive outcomes. When conflicts arise, ask yourself whether you want to be right or make things better. Successful relationships focus on teamwork rather than competition. Finding solutions requires openness, flexibility, and a willingness to work together. Instead of saying, "This is your fault," try asking, "How can we solve this together?" That simple shift can transform tension into cooperation almost immediately. People are more willing to participate when they feel respected instead of attacked. Relationships become stronger when both individuals focus on shared goals and mutual success. The fourth lesson is to replace blame with teamwork and solutions. Lesson 5. Build a habit of encouragement. Napoleon Hill consistently emphasized the importance of positive influence and encouragement. Every person faces challenges, doubts, and moments of uncertainty throughout life. Encouraging words can inspire confidence when someone is struggling or feeling discouraged. Supportive communication helps people believe in themselves and their abilities. Relationships flourish when people motivate each other to grow and succeed. Encouragement does not require grand speeches. Small positive comments often have the greatest impact. Saying, "I'm proud of you," or "you can do this," may seem simple, but it can change someone's day. People remember how others made them feel long after conversations are forgotten. When encouragement becomes a habit, relationships become stronger, healthier, and more meaningful. The fifth lesson is to become a source of support, positivity, and encouragement. Today we learned that positive communication is not merely about speaking nicely. It is about building trust, understanding, and meaningful human connections. Napoleon Hill's principles remind us that our words, attitudes, and listening habits shape the quality of every relationship we have. By choosing positive words, listening carefully, controlling emotions, focusing on solutions, and encouraging others, we create stronger bonds. Small improvements in communication can produce extraordinary results in friendships, families, workplaces, and romantic relationships. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants better relationships through the power of positive communication.